back to my channel, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have Moy with me. We're gonna do a smack or pass challenge featuring YouTubers, male
YouTubers.
Yeah.
So are you guys ready? Are you guys ready?
So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new, and press that post notification bell. Give me that thumbs up. Go follow me at Instagram at charms_lifestyle, my business page at Golden Charm Beauty Palace, and my daughter's business page at Deidra's Fashion District. Now guys, let's get in our video.
And guys, if you hear the sea water a splash upon a go, and we're right by the sea, with the beach today, that's why. Alright, let's get right into the video. Me first, me ask, and you ask me.
Okay.
Jam fed, what do you think about jam fed? Smack or pass jam
Well,
fed?
I would pass jam fed. You don't know why people? You see, jam fed, a peer disagreement me and him would have. Me and him would never come to an agreement together. So jam fed is a no-no. Me pass that straight. What
me be smack because in tall.
Whoa!
Maybe smack. And you know ugly. You know ugly. So maybe smack because in tall.
Okay. So, what do you think about CDE?
CDE? No, you know why? Because CDE look come like him a boss. He look like he look tell people what he do. So, no, but I make CDE pass. Yeah, him, me like him body structure everything, but CDE would have definitely pass for me because two bull carrying in one pen. CDE look like say him alone want wear the pants in the house, and no. So would have pass.
For me would have passed CDE straight. You know why? Him too quiet. Me don't want a man quiet, so I want somebody to argue with me when me argue back with them. Yeah? So CDE is a no-no. Him too quiet.
Alright. Who else? We can put who else from? Which other male YouTuber?
We come out male to YouTube and upon YouTube.
Badu Blacks. What do you think about Badu Black?
Badu is a pass. Badu too young. Him look nice, but no, him too young. Badu a baby for me, so it's a no-no.
Sorry Badu, that's a pass for me too.
Okay, so what do you...
No, I'll tell the reason. Sorry Badu, it's a pass for me because Badu look like one hot boy. When me have in an argument with woman, not even woman, in an argument with him because of woman. No. So sorry Badu.
Okay, let's go to Teflon Dan.
Teflon Dan is a pass for me. Teflon Dan nose too big like a for me. So no respect. But my nose already big. And feel nose look big like for me, so no.
Well, Teflon for me is a yes. You know why it's a yes? You have the body. I love the body, the figure. Yes. So that alone would make it a yes for me.
Oh my God. Who else? Vino prank.
Straight no. Straight no. Hey, people. Vino prankster. No Vino. Vino too slim and little bit. I don't want to feel for Vino in my bed.
No, yeah? Vino prank.
No.
There you go.
Yes, my so what do you think about Shane and the Family TV?
Shane. Young boy again. No.
So you're going like you're old?
Me not old, but I prefer somebody I'll not say young boy can't have experience or young boy can't have young boy no mature. But I prefer somebody with knowledge when it comes on to maturity and then we're there. No.
Well, for me,
she look too young.
For me, yes. Yes for me. But me not say why. But for Shane is a yes.
Me doing a young boy.
So guys, whoever we do this, whichever YouTuber we use in this video, please do not take it personal. It's just for the fun. Okay?
Yes, guys, because I'm a happily married woman. So we do it just for fun.
It's just for the fun, guys.
Just for the fun. Just for the fun.
Thank
so nobody
you.
think nothing behind it, just for the fun.